create, we first go inside the shape node, as you can see, and set the uniform scale to 0 and the velocity scale also to 0. And what we can do is now go to the attribute tabs and use inherted velocity. Add to inherted velocity, we can add this to inherted velocity, and the inherted velocity will be 0, and give it the variance to point value, something like 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1. We'll take pop drag node. As this pop drag node, what we will do, the particles are on top of each other. This pop drag node will drag the particles behind each other. So let's take a look. Exactly this we want. But now you can see the particles are constantly meeting, not stopping. So let's decrease the life expectancy of these particles, like 1 to 0.5, 0.4 something, I guess. And let's resim this and check how it goes. Now as you can see, the particles are dying. That's what we need for the mission. Yes, very nice. And let's save it first, because if you don't save the file, it will cause a great problem. As you can see, we are good to go to pyro simulation. So for that, first we have to create a force that will act as downward force, as a gravity force. So we'll take pop force and give it little amplitude and a little down value in negative y-axis, as you can see. And after that, we take a ground plane so that it will collide with that ground. So without the gravity, the explosion will not look real. So we'll take merge node and merge it with this ground plane and make her go straight right into the left. This way, check that. As you can see, the particles are going down, but we don't need that. We need the source particle. The force will be act on source particle. So we'll take that force and put it on the source particle. Now it will act like this. What we want. Yes. Fine. Now let's go inside and create our pyro sim. For that, we take DOM report field, as you can see, and assign this pop network to this, so that we can take that simulation out of the DOM network, as you can see. Now what we can do is we can assign temperature and burn value to these particles. For that, what we can do is we can take attribute triangle. As we can take attribute triangle, after that, what we can do is we can visualize this and put the burn value on the basis of NH. So we can give burn on the basis of NH and also give temperature on the basis of NH. And let's visualize this, how it looks after giving the value. Wait, I write and I let you know. Yeah. And similarly to temperature, I will do this. As you can see, 1 minus at NH. Yeah. But this will do is this will create NH and give the temperature value. As we can visualize this like this. As you can see, the red area is the hottest area and the blue area is the coldest area. So we want exactly like this. So instead of doing this, I will create a channel ramp for that value, so that we can adjust which areas would be more hotter and which area would be more coldest with the help of ramp. As you can see, 1 minus age, I can move this and I can flip this ramp, as you can see, and adjust this ramp like this. Yeah, now the hottest area will be more, as you can see. We want like this. Yes. And after that, what we can do is we will take, we will check it once. Yes. And what we can do is we can take attribute noise, so that we will give particular noise to temperature. So for that, we can visualize burn. We will burn this, and burn will look like this, as you can see. Yes. quite nice. I am happy with that. And now what we can do is we will take a noise onto that. For that what we can do is we will take attribute noise. In attribute noise we will give noise to temperature value. So for that we will select temperature value. From temperature we have float value and select the temperature, and first visualize how it looks. As you can see, and we will give little amplitude and little decrease the element size and make it animated. Now as you can see, the temperature is animated. As you can see, there is animation and noise for the temperature. Similarly we can do this with the velocity, as you can see. Similarly we can do this with the upcoming velocity, as you can see. Now after that we will take volume rasterize attribute and we will volume rasterize this velocity, temperature and burn attribute, as you can see, and voxel size to something like this, and we will go to p scale value to like that, and we can visualize this and it will look like this. As you can see. And after that what we can do is we will use pyro solver node and create a pyro volume out of this. Let's see. It will take some time, so please subscribe to my channel. It's very difficult job, yeah, so please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my videos. We can do some things like, first we have to the voxel scale. We have to change the voxel scale, and then in y-axis we will close y below the time scale so that the simulation become more slower, as you can see. And then buoyancy, first we have to decrease the buoyancy so that the pyro will not go over so fast. We will go to flames tab, increase the flame lifespan to 6, and smoke, enable the smoke first, and then smoke mount to 5, as you can see, and then enable temperature and temperature mount to 1. As you can see, we can do it with expansion so that the sim will expand more. And after that we will go to shape tab, as you can see, and in this shape tab we will decrease the distribution, that we will add disturbance to it so that it will get quite good shapes, breakage, yes, and turbulence we will increase the turbulence and give it to 5, and swirl size 2.5, we can give swirl size 2.5. and in disturbance tab don't forget to add control field as speed. First enable the speed from that tab, calculate speed field tab, and then add the speed to here. Enable does it will give disturbance on the basis of speed. Now after all that thing, we will let's file cache this out, and once it's done I'll let you know. Now as you can see, there is cache is done and the explosion will look like this. I know it's not high resolution explosion because due to some limitations for my PC. You can do this and do some tweakings in the scatter part and this smoke part, and you will get this result. Thanks for watching.